Hello. So my name is Sandra, and I'm currently studying in UK doing my master's in biomedical science. So I booked my accommodation with University Living, and I'm currently living in Alexandra Works, Plymouth. So today I'm going to take you around my room. So this is my room, and we six people live here. So these are the other rooms. So I basically live in the room E. So, so this is my room. So once you get into your room, towards my left side is the bathroom, which I'm gonna just show in later. So this is the cupboard, which I've kept my clothes and stuff. I've kept one of my trolleys over there. Then the other two trolleys which I bought are in the underbed storage. It's quite a big space where you can just fit in your trolleys, and also there is space for some other things. Just since my trolley was a bit bigger, I could not keep it there. So yeah, the bed and the bed cover is being provided by the accommodation itself. You just need to bring a pillow and do it, which is you can easily get it over here in UK. It's not that costly. So there's shelves and storage stands are all provided by the accommodation itself. You can use them to keep your stuff, all your food and stuff which you like, your snacks basically. Anything related to your kitchen can be kept in the kitchen shelves. So this is your study table where you're going to sit and do your studies or any kind of work. So this is a view from my window. That right there is the train track, and you have a mirror right here so that you can just use it when you're getting ready. You do have a heater. As you might know, in UK it's pretty cold, so you can just use it. And let's just get into the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. So you get a stand to keep your towel and clothes. This is the shower. The shower unit is a bit at an elevated position from the bathroom. You get hot water, and so yeah, this is the bathroom. You can just close it. So I had booked a standard suite, that is, my bathroom is being like used only by me and no one else uses it. If it's a sharing, then the situation might be different. But since I booked a standard suite, I was the only one using the bathroom. I forgot to mention about this cute little tote bag I received from my accommodation as a welcome gift. So I'm just gonna add in the photo of what are the things this bag contains. So this is the kitchen, as you can see. So we have a really spacious kitchen, and we can use these drawers. So we are six people, and each person gets to use two drawers each, and shelves as well. We have two refrigerators, and this is like a small dining and living area where you can just sit and chat if you want to just sit and work or study. So this is how my room looks. I would really like to thank Dia ma'am, who had been assisting me throughout my booking sessions, and also to the University Living for helping me find out this good accommodation. Thank you.